Okay, chat. I already have a video and I effed it up. I did the same thing I did with the tag team of 1060-76 and 1060-77. Where it was like I was filming like this horizontal landscape, but it was going up and down. So we're gonna run over right now. Compost cart appreciation month. Oh, there's a Peterbilt. Nope, that's a freaking Kenworth. Oh, there's a Peterbilt. W. I like this stuff. Why? No, that guy could get me in trouble. Then a burrito. One, what the hell? The hell? It's not one, but that's 598. The hell? Maybe he's going out. What's up? He has a sensor issue, I think. You know what? You can make it, mommy guy. That's Fernando? The hell? Is it up? Fernando? Fernando's already here. You come this way, just go right there. So much freaking space for you. Oh my god. It's my anxiety. My anxiety. Boom. Collision. W. He's going in for the kiss. He's backing away. Come here. Bro gave up. Oh my god. ACX versus ACX. 21:34.90 versus 21:34.88. My god. He's right in front of my mom's car. That's my mom's car and that's him. Not that. My mom has a better car than me, so. Hey. Can't park there. Oh. Sorry, I just made this. Sorry about that. 76. 5. 76. That has no number. 5501. That's what that one. Honk on. Oh, that's 5625's driver. I can't go past this, but look at those 35s. Perfect pair. Right as I get back, perfect. Oh. Tag axle. W. Two butts. As we left. Or as we got here. Our first shipment of Peterbilt front loaders in years. Can you smell that? Oh, my horse manure. Peter, bro. Bro. Bro does not want to wait. Honk at me, though. The Mac! The Mac! The Mac! The Mac! The one, the only Mac! The only Mac ever. That was the only Mac left. They're kind of in the middle of the road. Hey, there's one. Overdue with niceness, like Jason. Overdue with niceness. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I used to be like that kid.
That's what Jace's mom is.
I used to be like that. Wow, look at this stuff is going on.
It's fine. Oh yeah, he's annoyed. You're upset.
He's efficient. He's like, I'm getting first. I gotta go home.
So upset.
This is like Rita. Look, tiny little thing.
Next time, him on the road.
Yeah.
What's up, man? That's Hector.
It's like a little circus song.
Wow. I think they have Hector. Yeah. Maybe not.
Going too fast.
Way too fast. Okay.
I'm walking across.
Come back when it's done. This guy. Oh my god. They want to get home. All of them. She sent me an auto car. And she sent me an auto car. No. Sal. Salvador! Salvador! What are they doing, man? Cute. Oh, a diesel. I think he's getting me a minivan. Does it look good? Okay, we're upset. Oh, whoa. Buddy, you should have slowed down and you should have honked. Mackety, mackety, mack. Mackety. How did bro get all the way up there in like half a second? Okay, it's getting dark. I better go. It's my bedtime. That was all over there. I see Salvador's truck right now. What the hell? Shut up. Dumbass. Don't like that guy. Don't like him.
Yeah, so who does your house now?
I have Salvador again. Yeah. Simi Valley garbage truck. No plan? $57.88. Oh my god. And $57.88. I remember when it was a zippy and rough. I miss those days. Wait, what? The number is not scratched off and it's yuck. That's rope poison. Two little Peterbilts sitting in a tree. Not kissing. ONTRASH. Okay, it's been like 3 minutes. I've improved my song. Two little Peterbilts sitting in a tree. ONTRASH. First comes one, then comes two. Then comes a little EG in the butt. What? A Peterbilt ACX comes if those two like each other. Honk, honk. Jimmy, honk. Goodbye. Imagine having 20 minutes of garbage trucks coming into the yard.